Hello guys, welcome to another video of computer science course. In the previous video we learned about the different types of hardware and input devices. In this video we are going to learn about the output devices. So what are output devices? Output devices are hardware devices that display or present information to the user or other people. The monitor, printer and the speaker are one of the examples of output devices. Here you can see the monitors. These monitors are a visual display device to present output information in the form of text, graphics, video on the monitor screen. The monitor itself and the video controller determine the quality of the image. There are mainly two types of monitors, CRT monitors and LED monitors. CRT means cathode ray tube, typical monitor, which is a typical monitor, and second one is flat panel monitor, which is LED LCD flat panel monitor. So mainly two types, CRT typical monitor and flat panel monitor. Then color output, categorized by color output, mainly monitor is on the basis of color. Monitor is three types. First one is monochrome, grayscale and color. Monochrome means only on color with the black background. Here you can see on color, that is green color with black background. This is monochrome monitor. Then grayscale monitor. Grayscale means varying degrees of gray, that is only gray color. Here we can see black and white or gray color present in this monitor. So this is grayscale monitor. Then color monitor displays 16 to 16 million colors. Nowadays all of the monitors are color monitors, or LED, LCD, different types of color monitors. Digital monitors are color monitor. Then CRT means cathode ray tube. Cathode ray tubes, here you can see this is CRT monitor, cathode ray tube. Electrons fired from the back. Here electron fired from the back. Electron excite phosphor to glow, and the electron excite here phosphor to glow. Then phosphor is arranged in dots called pixels. All the phosphor are arranged in a pixels in this region. Then electron gun scans very pixels on the screen, starting at the top left corner and ending at the right edge, that is left to right. Different types of dots are help to view the visual. Then here you can see the CRT, cathode ray tube. Electrons are here hit the phosphor ray tube, and phosphor left to right, different types of phosphor dot are helps to show the visual phosphor screen. This is phosphor screen. And there are different types of part: cathode, choke, accelerator, electron gun, lens, steering, magnets. All the parts are related to to view the visual. Then monitors, CRT drawbacks. CRT monitors are very large, very heavy, use a lot of electricity. Then LCD means liquid crystal display. LCDs are thin, flat display device made of color pixels arrayed in front of a light source. Backlight or reflector desktop versions exist. Solve the problems of CRT. That means LCD monitor solves the problems which are present in CRT monitor. Then fluorescent lights provide illumination. Drawbacks to LCD. LCD monitors are more expensive than CRT monitor. Then must sit directly in front of screen. Low viewing angle. Can be more fragile than CRT. Then monitors and video cards. Resolution. Number of pixels on the screen is known as resolution. Higher number of creates sharper images. Higher number creates higher quality images. Here you can see 1 by 1 no image, then 2 by 2 no image, 5 by 5 unclear image, 10 by 10 unclear, 20 by 20 unclear, 50 by 50 clear, and 100 by 100 very clear. So we can see the image quality is dependent on the number of pixels. So high resolution image is very clear, and low resolution image is very poor in quality. Then monitors and video cards. Refresh rate, number of time the screen is read down is known as refresh rate. Modern equipment sets this automatically. Improper settings can cause eye strain. That means improper settings cause our eye strain, and usually measured in hertz. Refresh rate usually measured in hertz. Then data projectors. Data projectors replaced overhead and slide projectors. Project image onto wall or screen. Then LCD projectors. LCD projectors are most common type of projector. Small LCD screen, a very bright light, require a darkened room. This is a LCD projector. Then sound systems, headphones, headsets. It is the replacement for speakers and microphones. Offer privacy, does not annoy other people. Outside noise is not a factor. Headsets have speakers and microphone. These are the speakers for personal computer, PC, laptop, and this speaker is useful for mobile phone or smartphone. Then commonly used printers. Commonly used printers are three types: impact printers, non-impact printers, dot matrix printers, color printers, different types of printers. So impact printers. Impact printers generate output by striking the paper. This is impact printers. That means impact printers generate output by striking the paper, uses an inked ribbon. This printer uses inked ribbon for printing. Then non-impact printers. This is a non-impact printers. Non-impact printers use methods other than force. Tend to be quiet and fast. The print heads of non-impact printers do not strike the page. That means they do not strike the page. In an inkjet printer, a print head sits a small distance above the page, either sprays ink or pops a bubble of ink onto the paper. Laser printers use electrical charges to transfer dry toner particles from a light sensitive drum to a piece of paper and then melt the toner onto it. Then dot matrix printers. Dot matrix printers are also impact printer used to print multi-sheet pages. Print head strikes inked ribbon. Speed measured in characters per second. Print head that moves back and forth or in an up and down motion on the page and prints by impact, striking an ink-soaked cloth ribbon against the paper, much like the print mechanism on a typewriter. So this is a picture of a dot matrix printer. And how does dot matrix print head? Here we can see printer head makes different dots to form a character or a visualization. Here you can see dot 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 dot, and dot makes a symbol P. So in this way a dot matrix printer worked. Then commonly used printers such as inkjet printers. This is a non-impact printer, inkjet printer. Inexpensive home printer, color output common using CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow, black. That means inkjet printers use cyan, magenta, yellow and black. Sprays ink onto paper. Speed measured in pages per minute. Quality expressed at dots per inch, that is DPI. So what is DPI? DPI means dots per inch. here you can see a dot means 1 square inch. Here you can see 60 dots down, 60 dots across. That means 100 into 600, 36,000 dots on square inch. So this is called DPI, dots per inch. How many dots are present in a square inch is known as dots per inch. So this is DPI. Then commonly used printers, laser printer. Laser printer is one of the non-impact printer. Produces high quality documents, color or black and white. Print process, laser draws text on page, toner sticks on text, toner melted to page, speed measured in pages per minute. That this is one of the laser printer. Then commonly used printer, all in on peripherals. That means this is all in on printers. Scanner, copier, printer, fax, all are the essential parts are present in this printer. So this is all in on printers. This is popular in home offices, and prices are very reasonable. That means the prices is very high, all in on printer. So these are the output devices. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.